The lagoon's essentially a big storage chamber. It's attached to a pumping station which pumps out the catchment areas of Kingswood and Bransholme at times of heavy rainfall and pumps the water safely away into the River Hull. Now the River Hull is a tidal river, so it means at times of high tide or at times of really heavy rainfall it's not safe to pump the water into there. So instead we pump it into the lagoon, store the water there and then wait for the river levels to subside before we safely release it back out into the river. Yorkshire Water are investing around £3.7 million to upgrade the safety and to help prevent the risk of flooding in the future here in Bransholme Lagoon. Why are we doing this? Well, we have a spillway, which is the route that the water will take to flow out in an emergency, which at the moment is pointing in the direction of a new housing estate which is currently being built. Obviously, that's not the safest possible thing to have, and so we plan to change that so that the spillway in future will flow out into the River Hull perfectly harmlessly. In order to do this, we need to raise the sides of the lagoon by around 1.8 metres on 3 of the sides. That will help to engineer it so that the water will naturally flow out in the direction of the river. The construction will take a few months. We're hoping to be completed by around September 2010 in order to meet our compliance dates with the panel engineer's inspection. We've already consulted extensively on this scheme. There have been 2 newsletters that have gone out to the local community, and we've held 2 public exhibitions, one in the local Asda and one in the Trafalgar Community Centre. We've heard back from more than 100 residents in the area in response to our surveys, 85% of whom have expressed support for the scheme. Local residents know about the scheme, they support the idea, and they want us now to get on with it. There's an awful lot of wildlife already on the lagoon at present. There are cormorants and swans and lots of geese. And we obviously want to increase and improve and enhance the wildlife in the area and make it a lasting sort of attractive feature for the local community. So we want to talk to residents about how we can do this and how we can leave a lasting legacy for the local area.